Hello everyone and welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform. So now let's crack JEE in English. Now before beginning, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahul Yadav and students they call me RYD sir. Okay, I am an alumni from NIT Jalandhar. I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering. I have a teaching experience of 3 years. My passion is helping students in whatever way possible. Right? Whatever way possible by my side. You can join my Telegram group whose link is given written t.me/JE with JE Maths with RYD. There you can ask any of your doubts or queries and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Now, Unacademy is introducing Let's Crack JEE in English. Right? Most of the students, right, they have a problem of not understanding the content which is given to you in Hindi, right? Hindi plus English. So what we are doing is we are introducing a new channel for the likes of you, so that you can understand everything clearly. The news channel is Let's Crack JEE in English, and you will be getting the description link in the description, where you can follow this channel and you'll get amazing content purely in English mode of communication. So keep all your preparation worries at bay and let's crack JEE in English. Now, talking about Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform. And once you get plus subscription to it, you'll have access to unlimited live and recorded lectures from the best faculties, the faculties best in the business all around our country, right? And you can watch those videos as many times as possible. Talking more about the plus subscription, what are the benefits that you'll get? First is daily live classes. So in the daily live classes, what we have is it's almost all like offline class experience, better than offline class experience. What will you have is you can chat with your educator, you can chat with your teacher, you can ask them queries, you can ask your doubts, and if the teacher is raising any poll or answer like you do in offline classes, no, we try to solve it and give the answer before anyone else. So there also you'll be having live learners with you. You can solve the questions and try to answer it as soon as possible before anyone else gives. One more benefit is that sometimes in class you feel shy, or you might not feel confident enough of asking any doubts. You might feel that what the other students will think and what the teacher will think. But here you won't be facing any such difficulty. You'll be sitting in your room, you'll be learning online, nor the teacher will be able to see you, nor the live learners. So you can ask your doubts freely without any shyness, without any hesitation. Next is live tests and quizzes. So Unacademy organizes regular test for your JEE, right? They might be topic wise, they might be subject wise, they might be a complete JEE main pattern or JEE advanced pattern test, and also there will be some quizzes. So there is no better platform to evaluate your preparation than to sit for a test where almost students from all over India are attempting that test, right? So you'll be able to see where do you stand in the crowd. See, every year 9 to 10 lakh students they prepare for JEE, but the seats are only 20,000, and out of that 20,000 also some of the seats are for lower branches, so you don't want to get into those branches. So there is a high level of competition. So to track your preparation you must give regular tests. Plus, one more thing you'll get with the regular test is you'll get detailed analysis of your performance. Like, you'll be able to know what will be your weaknesses, what are your strengths. So you can work on your weaknesses and make them your strengths and eventually increase your score. Next is structured courses. So the courses in Unacademy, the plus courses in Unacademy are so smoothly, are so nicely planned that you won't face any difficulty. You'll get everything link by link. You won't feel that this must have been taught earlier or this must have been taught afterwards. The structure is so well planned. The meeting or the committee has planned the structure in such a way that you won't face any difficulty. Even if you sit for UPSC, for JEE, for any examination in India, the courses are very well structured. And lastly, you'll have unlimited access. As I've already told you, the faculty panel on Unacademy is one of the best in whole of our country. So you'll get unlimited access to their live and recorded lectures. You can watch them as many times as you want. till you don't understand. And Unacademy won't fix you to a particular teacher. You can choose which teacher you want to learn from, or you can learn from multiple teachers, right? So you won't be fixed to a particular teacher. See, students have connectivity with the teacher. They different students have different types of learning methods, so you can explore which teacher you want to learn from, which teacher is better for you, right? So you'll have unlimited access to all those videos. Plus one more thing, in offline classes there might happen that you might miss a class someday, so the teacher won't repeat the lecture for you, right? So what happens is, if you don't attend one class, the next 2 or 3 classes, they are blown. You don't understand anything because everything is linked, right? So what eventually happens is, when you see other people answering nearby and you are not able to answer, it lowers down your confidence, right? You start questioning yourself that, am I well enough, am I capable enough of cracking this, yes or no? So what happens here is, even if you don't attend the live classes, you can get the recorded form of that and watch it afterwards whenever you are free. So it won't make any backlog with you, right? There won't be any backlog with you. So once there is no backlog, your preparation will always be on track, right? You can attempt questions every day. You will be able to understand whatever is taught in the next lecture or in the next video, right? So if there is no backlog, your preparation will always be on track. So go on Play Store and download the Unacademy Learning app and go for Plus subscription. Now here, I want to tell you that if you want to subscribe, go for either 12-month subscription or a 24-month subscription. See, the JEE syllabus is so vast. You are having 3 subjects, and that also is too vast. You have to learn 11th plus 12th combined. And boards is this much. Boards is 10% of JEE syllabus. JEE syllabus is very vast. So you need 2 or 3 months to revise those 3 subjects. So for 2 or 3 months, there won't be enough time for you to complete your syllabus. It's only for revision 2 or 3 months. But if you go for 12 months, you can complete your syllabus properly on time, on a very planned basis. You can give regular tests. You can evaluate your performances, right? Now, if you go in any offline coaching, you will have to pay around 1.5 lakhs a year. That is 1.5 lakhs for 12 months of coaching. But here you will be getting it at 30,000. But over it, if you use the code RYD1, the effective price will be 27,000, which is approximately 2,250 rupees a month. 2,250 rupees a month for 3 subjects. You will be getting personalized doubt clearances. You'll be able to watch the videos as many times as you want. You will be able to choose your teacher. So what can be a better package than this, right? Now, if you are fresher to 11th, I'll advise you go for a 24 months course. For 2 years, you'll be having tests at regular intervals. Your syllabus will be properly planned in such a way that it gets completed before 18 months, or you can complete it before that. It depends on you, on how much time you are giving, yes or no? So you can complete it, and the rest 6 months you can use to revise all the topics that you have covered, so that your preparation is so efficient that you will be confident enough to crack the exam, right? This course, if you go for offline coaching, you have to pay around 2.5 to 3 lakhs every year. But here you will be getting it at 36,000, and above it, if you use the code RYD1, the effective price will be 32,400, which is 1,350 a month. For the 3 subjects, you'll be paying 1,350 a month. Even if you go for tuitions, the teacher will ask you 4 to 5,000 at least for single subject a month. Here 3 subjects in 1,350. So this is the best package, the best facility with the best faculty, right? So go on Play Store, download the Unacademy Learning app, and go for subscription to your IIT JEE. Now see, IIT is a dream of many and a reality of some. As I've already told you, every year around 9 to 10 lakh students, they prepare for JEE. And out of this, there are approximately only 20,000 seats. There are only 20,000 seats. So you can see the percentage, right? Out of 10 lakh, only 20,000 seats are there in IITs and NITs. So only 2% of the students, they get success. Yes. So what you have to do is See, dream is, I'll quote our late president and legend Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't let you sleep. While you are sleeping, other people, other students will be preparing. So yes, you must sleep. I am not saying that you must not sleep. You must give yourself 6 to 7 hours of sleep every day, but don't overdo it. Don't waste your time. Sleeping is not only physical sleeping. Sleeping is getting your mind to sleep, not to work when you are awake, right? So you must work towards your goal. You must try to achieve it. You must have the determination to achieve it. And with an academy, we can make it happen. So let's make it happen. Now, talking about Let's Crack JEE in English, the YouTube channel for Unacademy, what you will get here on the channel. You'll get live and premier YouTube sessions covering the complete JEE syllabus of all the 3 subjects. The subjects will be covered, all the topics will be covered here one by one. Next, you will be getting videos on short tricks, the previous year questions, right? The previous year questions videos will be like topic wise, previous year questions of limits, and then the questions of limits, previous year's questions of straight lines, all the questions of straight lines. May take one video or 2 videos or 3 videos, but there will be all the previous year questions videos. Next is problem solving sessions, some of the super problems that will be above advanced level or maybe advanced level, that requires uh, new concept or extensive thinking which you can't develop right now. Will help you develop that with the problem solving sessions. Okay, you'll be getting problems which will blow your mind. You'll think, how can we solve this? And then when you'll see the answer, when you'll see the solution, you'll feel, yes, you could have done it too, right? So it will open up your new concepts and help you approach a new questions in variety of different ways. Next is you'll be having live quizzes, live mentee tests, mentee quizzes, where you'll be given polls, right, questions, and you'll be attempting the test live, and you'll be answering the options, and you'll be doing it along with the fellow live learners. From there also you'll be able to evaluate that out of those live learners, what will be your rank, what will be your score. Next is you'll get videos on helping strategies, guidance on necessary matters. Like many students, they come and ask me, sir, what should be the timetable, how should we prepare, how should be our strategy to prepare. So you'll be getting all of that in this channel, right? So if you are worrying about your preparation, please keep your worries at bay. If you are worrying that no channel is providing you content completely in English, keep that worry also at bay. Now Unacademy is bringing you all of the JEE content in English with Let's Crack JEE in English, right? This is YouTube, and you can also watch the English videos on the Unacademy channel, where the special live classes are free of cost. They are free of cost. You need not to subscribe, and you can follow my Unacademy profile, which is there in the description, and I'll be coming live almost every day. Almost every day we'll be having special live classes which will be free of cost. And if you want to do the plus subscription, you can go with the plus subscription, where you'll be having plus courses in a very properly planned manner, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching it, for bearing me for this much time. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. Do subscribe. Let's Crack JEE in English. And again, if you want to subscribe, if you want to do the plus subscription for any of the packages in Unacademy, you can use the code RYD1 to get a 10% off. Also, do tell me in the comments that what kind of videos that you want, what are the topics that you want in maths especially that I should cover first. Okay, that's it for this. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.